What's up, guys? So as you can probably tell, we got some new couches delivered from Costco. Now, we just sold our old set, which lasted us for quite some time, that we also got from Costco, and it was time to update. I just had these patio furniture chairs in here for the last few days, and that wasn't too fun. But those were from Costco as well, so you know they're good quality. Now, this is the one we went with, and it comes with a chase, a love seat, and then the storage ottoman that when it's all connected, kind of looks like that. So, seemed like a pretty good deal. They had it for $200 off. Here's the Costco item number, 1414716. And then as you see, this is box 2 of 3. There's the other one there, and then there's this one. Yeah, one thing to note when you buy these in the store to make sure you got the right ones is this little diagram here. As you see, it shows that this is the love seat part of the couch. Then that one there is the sectional, and then this one is the chest. So make sure to keep track of which boxes you put in your truck if you pick them up in store. All right, let's get this put together. All right. It wasn't actually this easy. It was pretty easy though. Let's see how it all went together, and then we'll be back with some thoughts. So this is how it all went together. These guys are big and heavy, so you have to take that into consideration, but all you have to actually do is attach the feet to the bottom and then connect the chase and the sofa together. The ottoman can do its own thing, but I like to nuzzle it up. Hard work pays off. Fast forward a few months and these things are definitely going strong. They're built to last. The cushions held up to me just plopping down on them, and I'm definitely not a small guy. The material they're made out of is a thick, durable one that feels like it will resist pet claws or stains that you might drop on them as long as you use a little common sense. It feels like they actually cost more than they did, which is kind of what Costco is known for. The ottoman this thing comes with is a huge bonus. You can fit so much stuff in there, linens, blankets, whatever, and then it turns the sofa into a huge day bed if you push everything together. I'd highly recommend this set. It reminds me of the quality of a lot of my other Costco furniture, some of which I've had for almost 10 years and still going strong. Alright, well that's going to do it for this one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.